Malabar Spinach, Basella alba, Growing Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to introduce you to an amazing, lesser-known plant with tons of benefits, Malabar spinach. This tropical plant with its unique taste and texture can add an exotic touch to your garden or backyard. Stay with us to learn how to grow, care for, and harvest this exceptional plant. Before we get started, if you enjoy this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future uploads. Also, feel free to let me know in the comments if you're enjoying these guides, and if so, which guide you'd like to see in future videos. Introduction. Unlike regular spinach, Malabar spinach, or Basella alba, is a climbing, perennial plant in tropical regions. Originally from South Asia and Africa, this plant is perfectly suited for warm and humid climates. It can grow up to 10 feet tall, 3 meters, when supported by a trellis, making it a beautiful climbing addition to the garden or backyard. Benefits and flavor of Malabar spinach. Not only is it rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, iron and calcium, but it's also easy to digest and great for immune health. And when it comes to flavor, its leaves have a mild, slightly earthy taste similar to regular spinach, with a thicker, juicier texture. Its slightly slippery texture when cooked gives it a natural emulsifying property, perfect for thickening soups and sauces. Ideal growing conditions. Malabar spinach loves warmth. To help it thrive, make sure to provide a sunny or partially shaded spot. This plant doesn't do well in cold temperatures. It prefers minimum temperatures of 54 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 to 15 degrees Celsius, below which its growth slows considerably. It starts to struggle when temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, and stops growing properly below 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius. Temperatures close to or below freezing cause serious damage to the plant tissue, and prolonged exposure to freezing temperatures can kill it. For this reason, in colder climates, it's often grown in pots that can be brought indoors or in a greenhouse during winter. Planting, care. Malabar spinach is sown in the spring, after the risk of frost has passed. You can start seedlings indoors or in a greenhouse, then transplant them outside once warm temperatures are established. Use trellises, as this plant is a climber and can reach up to 10 feet tall with support. Enrich the soil with compost to boost its growth. Watering and maintenance. For watering, Malabar spinach likes moist soil, but be careful not to overwater it. Regular watering will do, adjusted for temperature and season. Also, check the leaves for any signs of disease or pests, although this plant is generally quite resilient. Harvesting and use. Malabar spinach can be harvested a few weeks after planting. Regularly trim the leaves to encourage more growth. In the kitchen, Malabar spinach is delicious raw in salads or cooked, such as in curries, stir-fries, and soups. Its mild, earthy flavor adds a subtle touch to your dishes, and its slightly gelatinous texture makes it a perfect ingredient to thicken recipes. Malabar spinach is a unique and hardy plant that will provide an abundance of leaves all summer long. Want to discover more exotic plants for your garden? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for more gardening tips.